Obas, I'm Jack the Greek, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to cook slow cooked lamb on the electric Crossray barbecue. The first tip is to make sure that your electric Crossray barbecue is sitting at about 200 degrees when the hood is down. Your second tip is to make sure you put a little bit of water at the bottom of your tray, especially when you're slow cooking lamb or pork or beef. Now, this lamb is about 2.5 kilos. It's going to take around 2 hours to cook on the electric Crossray barbecue. So time to put it in. On the top grill, just like that. Every half an hour or so, come and have a look at it. And around the hour mark, you probably might need to add a little bit more water. Don't be scared to do that. Add a little bit more water, keep up the moisture, and within 2 hours, you're gonna have a beautiful, succulent lamb to feed your family. It's simple as that, and I guarantee you, you'll enjoy using your electric barbecue as much as I do.